All right, today is Wednesday, October 20th, 2021. Um, Another rough day in the market. It's kind of 2 days back to back of just no follow through this morning. You can see it's kind of a mess for the bulk of where I like to trade. VIX is still down. Um, Bitcoin is hitting all-time highs. Maybe that's where all the attention is. We've just kind of been, you know, chopped up recently. Kind of uncharacteristic, but it is what it is. Got to trade the chart. So here's market open. Did not take that, but I did take this short. Everything was lined up. It was, relatively, not right at market open. 5 to 6 minutes after market open. That's kind of the time frame where I'm comfortable taking a trade. Let's go back and see where ES was. If I recall correctly, yeah, ES was not in agreement at all. So could I have avoided that trade and not taken that trade? Yeah, I could have. But it easily could have ran. I'm just, trading the chart. So I was short in the 05 range, and as you can see, it's quickly stopped out. I think I had my stop up in this range. So just last couple of days, brutal ways to start the day. When you don't see any profit, maybe a couple points, and then it just reverses so quickly. So it's rough. I ended up taking this long as well after getting stopped out there. When this bar printed, 2 minute obviously confirmed it, and 3 minute was showing at this time. It closed above 3 minute resistance, and so the rules say to take that trade, which I did. Once I saw it come down here and close under 3 minute, I then tightened my stop to 20. And so I took I was stopped out at 20 for about a 13, 14 point loss. So brutal way to start the day, back-to-back losses. Jumped in short here around the 07 range. I had my stop up around 3 minute resistance, and kind of struggling against me, but followed through a decent amount, but really just not a ton of follow through. I was able to put in a stop here at this 2 green bar exit, lock in my 10 points. I think I was filled around at 97, so it's just 10 points. Took a little bit of a chunk out of my losses, but not much. And then as you can see, it just kind of continued and drifted back up higher. I did go long here with full confirmation, and that was about, I think it was just a 5 point or so loss. We didn't go high enough right here to get a 2 green bar exit, and so I kept my stop down here like I'm supposed to, and once this bar printed, I went ahead and closed it for, like I said, about a 5 point loss. Let's see here. I believe I did take this as well. Yeah, I did take this, but it was strange because 3 minute didn't print or even show until this bar. And so, not something I want to be doing is taking this, an entry on this big bar relative to the prior bars. But that's what the chart showed. Went short there, had my stop here, and thought again when I got this sweet spot that it would continue downward, and it just never did. There's just no follow through whatsoever on these trades last couple days. I think that kind of finished my day. I didn't take anything additional. So yeah, it was a losing day. Last couple of days have been brutal, but gotta show up tomorrow and trade the chart, and that's all you can do when you trade AbleTrend is stick to trading the chart. Don't let a couple losses get in your way. Um, you know, Understand that over the long run, the chart will pay, and we will get these runners. And so you got to take every trade because you know tomorrow might be get in here at '07 and it might run to 100 points. You just don't know. You got to take every trade and not let your emotions get involved. That's it. So another losing day, choppy, just not good price action. And that's the recap for Wednesday, October 20th, 2021.